What's the meaning of corundum? Corundum. Corundum.
Corundum. Corundum. Corundum is a mineral that occurs in various colors and is used as an abrasive, refractory material, and gemstone. It has a hardness of 9 on the Mohs scale, which makes it one of the hardest minerals. The name corundum comes from the Tamil word corundum, which means ruby. Corundum is composed of aluminum oxide and is found in igneous, metamorphic, and sedimentary rocks. Its various colors are caused by trace elements such as iron, titanium, and chromium. Overall, corundum is a versatile and important mineral with many practical applications.